Alright, gentlemen and ladies, we are out here. We got our Jeeps. And then we're going to attempt to make it through here, which is a Beaver Dam slash river slash once was maybe at some point a trail, but is no longer.
It's a little washed out.
I think it's pretty awesome. Yeah, should be a lot of fun. We just aired down the tires. How'd that go? Which one was we used again, Jorden?
We used the new Air one, and that was a very fast one. It aired it down way faster than the last one we were using.
The ARB versus the X-Pull. The ARB was faster. Very awesome. And we got our winches, we got our kinetic rope, we got our X-Pull Max Trac things, and we also got some Go treads. We're going to see if we need those. I aired mine down at about 8 psi. Would you air your tread down to?
10.
10? That'll still work. We got our drone. Matt's here for emotional support and camera support. And, well, I think somebody lied to him about there being no baked cookies. But it's okay.
I'm still waiting. Anyway.
Anyhow, so let's see if we can make it through here. Okay, you're going to be dropping down on rocks. You're about a foot away from the drop on the passenger. You're right on the edge. Your front end's about to drop. Turn your wheel this way a little bit. Your back edge is dropping now. Turn your wheel to the passenger. Go forward. Passenger with the wheel. Will that work? I would keep driver wheel on that little mound right there probably.
up here and let me see where you're at.
Alright everybody, we just got the 97 TJ to go through that obstacle with me driving, but I have a lot of years on the trail and off-road. So this time, we're going to try to have Matt take it off-road, take it through this obstacle. And Matt, are you excited about it?
Oh yeah, it's going to be real fun, real interesting. I want to see if I can make it.
Now, don't forget, don't worry about the clutch, don't worry about the rocks, just have fun, don't worry about breaking anything, and don't worry about burning out the clutch. We got a guy to take care of it.
I mean, what?
I mean, he's taken the transmission out like 20 times. You got it down now, right?
Yep, pretty much.
All right, so we're ready to go.
Here goes nothing.
Slow. You're gonna roll down on this side. Straighten your wheel out. Just hold the brake. You're right on the ledge now. So that side's gonna start dropping. You're literally going over. Just keep coming slow. Doing good, doing good. Spin the wheel. That's okay.
I think that's stop. Turn that wheel to the driver's side.
Yeah.
You're gonna break something that's sharp. A little bit passenger. A little bit more passenger. Now, slowly ease off on that clutch.
You're doing good. Keep going straight. What I want you to yeah, just straight right now. What I want you to try to do is, you know how Paul hugs this side? I want you to try to do the same thing. Hug that side. Yep, hug this side so that your passenger tire stays out of that deep rut. Yourself, roll back a little bit. Stay right there. Oh no, that might have been a little far, but turn it towards me now. About there. Try to ease yourself forward. And then give it a little. You're gonna have to get off that buck with the passenger tire. You might have to back down more.
Matt, back down, turn your wheel passenger, back up about 6 feet, not so tight, right there. All right, a little bit more. Okay, now you're going to be able to use that momentum. Hold that. Turn the wheel to the driver's side now. A little bit more. And right there. Now, you're going to be falling into that hole that was just there. Use that momentum to hop up onto the next part and get you up. Don't be afraid to give her a little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
Don't worry about hitting me, I'll move. I'm quick.
Okay.
Hang on, let me see where you're at here on the other side.
Back up again and do that one more time.
Yep.
Right there and go for it. Awesome!
So, that was interesting. That went way easier than I thought it would. I didn't think I'd be able to make it through. I figured I'd just get it wallowed up and stuck. But, you have to... I couldn't see anything, basically. And I had to trust them for where to turn the tire. And, they were using instructions like driver, passenger, and a little more there, And then they walked me through what the next step was. Because literally, I can't see what's 10 feet in front of the Jeep without them guiding me through it. So, you really just have to rely on your spotters and have something tall enough. And it's not... As long as you have people that can explain it to you, it's not that hard. That's what it seems like. Other than clutch control and having 3 feet to handle clutch pedal, brake pedal, gas pedal all at once. But yeah, no, it's a good time. I'm ready to try to get it back over.
Pause there, guide you up.
Hi, camera. Okay. You're going to want to come forward, and when you come forward, when you hit this rock, you're going to feel it. Straighten your wheel. And then you're going to be lined up right with this, and you should come straight up. When you reach the top, it might bump steer. Hold the wheel. Oh yeah, definitely hold that wheel. Straighten. You're good, yep. Give her. Awesome job, man.
And what was your overall thought after you finally got up?
I never thought I'd be able to get back up this wall. Like, pulling up to it, it's like way above the hood, and it looks sheer when you're coming up to it. I was like, there's no way. I'm just going to spin for days. There's no way of making it up, and then it just goes whoop.
I mean, he did it first try even. I mean, literally first try. But with the bumper, it provides a lot more clearance too.
Entry, yeah.
So your approach angle is really good. The departure angle on these is really good. And the breakover on this with the 4.5 inch lift is also really good with the 33 inch tires. So, yeah, really awesome. We just need more LED lights.
Yeah, there's not enough in there yet.
No, not at all. So, Jordan, your opinion?
I think the Jeep did really good, and I think Matt did a really good job of taking that obstacle for especially a not a seasoned driver. I think he did a fantastic job. He rolled right through it, and it went pretty smooth, all things considered.
Not to mention intentionally taking the worst route back. The worst.
I may have had something to do with that.
Would you take yours with your 33s? You're worried about the breakover angle?
I'm more worried about the approach angle with that rock on the bottom because my front bumper sticks out a lot more. I'm pretty sure that if I come down, my front bumper is probably going to kiss that rock. I'm not 100% sure though.
Yeah.
how about we try it when I have something else to daily?
Right.
Sounds good. All right, well, there you go. Don't forget to like.
Comment.
Share and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.